Meaning of flight simulator.
Flight simulator.
Flight simulator.
Flight simulator.
Flight simulator. A flight simulator is a device that artificially recreates aircraft flight and the environment in which it operates. It allows pilots to train in a virtual environment, honing their skills and increasing their familiarity with a variety of aircraft and situations without risk to themselves or the aircraft. The simulator provides a fully immersive experience that includes realistic controls, visuals, sounds, and even movement. Through the use of advanced technology, flight simulators provide a safe and cost-effective way for pilots to perfect their skills and respond effectively to any situation they may encounter during a real flight.